How to use Android Studio. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to get started and set up your first project in Android Studio. First is of course download the client. Open up any preferred web browser available on your end and just simply type in Android Studio. It is usually located at the very first result that will redirect you into Android developers, which is going to be this one right here. Click this option here that says download Android Studio Auto 3 feature drop. Have it installed on your PC, and this is going to be your Android Studio client. To get started, at the top left, just simply click this lines right here and click on New, create a new project. This is where you can configure your very first project. Choose between phone and tablet, Wear OS, television, car, and XR. Say for example this one, hit on next, name your project, package name, location, and then choose on the minimum SDK and hit on finish. And that is how you use Android Studio.